Welcome to Umoja. This video will demonstrate how to add beneficiaries. This procedure is used by the staff member to nominate beneficiaries and indicate the percentage of their entitlement. This process begins after the staff member has logged into the Umoja portal. The staff member nominates one or more beneficiaries through the Umoja Employee Self-Service portal. The staff member prints the beneficiary P2 form and signs it in front of the HR partner. The HR partner countersigns the form, places it in the staff member's file, and approves the beneficiaries in the Umoja Approver Work Center. As part of the demonstration, we will show you how to nominate beneficiaries and print the beneficiary P2 form. Click on the Employee Self-Service tab. Click on the Personal Information link. Click on Beneficiary Details. Click on the arrow to navigate to the bottom of the page. Click the Name text box. In the name field, enter the first and last name of the beneficiary you want to nominate. In this demonstration, we will enter Vivienne Otilia. Click the email text box. In the email field, enter the email address of the beneficiary. In the date of birth field, select or enter the date of birth of the beneficiary using the day, month, year format as it appears on the birth certificate or passport. Select the gender of the beneficiary from the list. In this demonstration, we selected female. Press Return. Then enter the beneficiary's address in the address text box. Click on the phone text box. In the phone field, enter the phone number of the beneficiary, include the country code and area code if applicable. In this demonstration, we entered 911-2345. In order to add a second beneficiary, click the name text box on the row below the first one. Type Robert Otilia in the name text box. Click the date of birth text box. Type 03/04/1975 in the date of birth text box. Click the gender combo box. Select male from the list. Click the address text box. Type Rue Liberté, Port-au-Prince in the address text box. Click the phone text box. Type in the phone number of the beneficiary. Click the relationship text box. Then type brother in the relationship text box. To add a third beneficiary, click the name text box in the row below the last one. Type Sarah Dube in the name text box. Click the email text box. Type in the beneficiary's email address. Click the date of birth text box. Type 11/02/1985 in the date of birth text box. Click the gender combo box. Select female from the list. Click the address text box. Type in the beneficiary's address. Click the phone text box. Type in the beneficiary's phone number. Click the relationship text box and type brother. Click the relationship text box on the third row and type in friend. Click the share text box on the first row. Type 50 in the share text box. Click the share text box on the second row. Type 30 in the share text box. Now type 20 in the last share text box. Once you have listed all the beneficiaries and the required information, click on the Next button. Click the checkbox to review your entries. Review the information and click on the checkbox to acknowledge that you are changing your beneficiaries. Then scroll to the bottom of the page and click on the Print button. Accurately review the information and make all necessary corrections of any errors. You need to click on the Print button and print the form now, as the system will not let you print the form once submitted. Ensure that the form has printed, and once printed, click on the OK button to return to the designation of beneficiary screen. Now click on the Send button to submit to the HR partner. Remember, the beneficiary information entered in ESS will not be approved and legally valid unless the signed ESS copy or P2 form is submitted to the HR partner for countersignature. If you fail to countersign in the presence of the HR partner, the old beneficiary information on file, if any, will be the only valid legal document for beneficiary purposes. You have now completed this Umoja Employee Self-Service video.